Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to estimate shipping on CNFans. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to cnfans.com, and before we start we need to sign in or create an account. So click onto that little account looking thing there, and then make sure to sign in or sign up to CNFans. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Then from here on the top, kind of near the top of the page, we've got home, DIY, orders, or estimation. Click onto estimation. Then we're on the estimation page. So from here, it will say shipping calculator. You want to go ahead and choose your destination. I'm going to choose Australia, and now find your item category. So have a look at the list here. So I'm just going to go with shoes, and I'm going to just do general cargo. Now from here, I'm going to give it a weight. So it's about 5 kilos. The box is about 30 centimeters by say 25. This is just for demonstration purposes. And then from here, but you want to actually put in the right estimations or be as close as you can to get the best estimate results. So from here, they're going to go ahead and calculate. So tap calculate. If we scroll down here, we can have a look at all the different reference times that they got available here. So they got shipping fee of about $17. This is all AU. Reference time 10 to 17 days, and a delivery rate of 98.1%. And if we keep scrolling down, you can see the delivery rate decreases, and also your reference time as well increases, so keep that in mind. So it's a pretty cool tool, this estimation for CNFans.